In this video, we'll learn how to visualize multivariate device metrics in OpenManage Enterprise Power Manager using a parallel coordinate graph. Using this graph, we can analyze and evaluate complex and multidimensional time series metrics. First, log into OpenManage Enterprise with your credentials. After you log in, from the Plugins menu, hover the pointer over Power Management, and then select Analyze Multivariate Metrics. To add the groups for which you want to view the graph, do the following. First, on the Analyze Multivariate Metrics tab, click Add Groups. A maximum of 4 rack physical groups can be added at once. Next, in the Add Groups dialog box, select the groups for which you want to view the graph. After you select each group, its name is displayed in the right-hand side. Next, to remove a group from your selection, click the corresponding delete symbol. As an example, we'll keep 2 groups and remove 2 groups. Finally, click Apply. In the left pane, there are 2 sections: Metric Sources that consists of the rack physical groups and Visual Controls that consists of summary statistics and metrics. The working pane displays a graph to indicate metrics about the rack physical groups. Next, we will demonstrate the tasks that you must perform to select groups and set filters to view corresponding metrics. To change the duration, for example in hours, days, or months, select the Duration drop-down menu. The default value is set at 7 days. In this example, we'll select 6 hours. Adjust the smoothness of the graph by clicking and holding the mouse button, and then dragging the slider back and forth. In the left pane, you can do the following. Under Metric Sources, the group and device, that is, server and chassis names, are displayed. Search based on a group or device name to view a particular device or group. Then hover over a metric date and timestamp under the device name to view the metrics for that device on the graph. If a metric is not supported for a device, the plot for the unsupported metric is on the unsupported axis. To filter data on the graph, do the following. First, pause the pointer over the vertical axis corresponding to the attribute you want to measure. The pointer changes to the crosswire symbol. Next, click and hold the mouse button and drag the crosswire to filter the data on the axis. You can also filter the data across multiple vertical axes at a time. Finally, to remove the filter, click the same vertical axis. Using the Visual Controls feature, you can also filter metrics based on one or more of the following summary statistics: minimum, average, maximum, and instant. In this example, we'll select minimum and maximum. To view the different metric types, select the appropriate metric from the metrics list. By default, all checkboxes corresponding to their metric are selected. To remove the selection, clear the checkbox. In this example, we'll select 4 metrics. The lines on the graph change accordingly based on the metrics you selected. To rearrange the position of a metric, do the following. First, pause the pointer over the metric name. The pointer changes to a palm symbol. Next, drag the metric name to rearrange its position. To refresh, remove the search, and remove the filtered data, click the Refresh button. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.